That is one heck of a Boston fern. It has been so good at growing. It definitely got too cold with our Minnesota winters. Sometimes if you put a plant too close to a window at minus 60 degrees, it does things to the plants. It needs to be refreshed. I want to separate it into multiple plants and share it with friends and family. This is the hospital tag. When I took it home, it was just a baby. You're not a baby anymore, girl. I'm trying not to kill you. Are you kidding me with this girl? Come on. Look how beautiful your root system is, huh? You are gorgeous. Look at that. She does have a little trauma right here. There's trauma. This is coming out together. This is coming out together. That's its own plant right there. See these? Most of them are loose, but some are connected. And this is kind of how it propagates itself, you know, with these little roots here. Ah, we got another one. I'm not cutting it, I am tearing it. I don't know if this causes more trauma, but it's happening. I got dirt on the floor. Okay, this should have been done outside, but they would have been more traumatized with the 40-degree temperatures. I think she's gonna do really well in a pot by herself. Yeah, I think I could easily separate this one into another one and keep this for myself. Take a deep breath, okay? It's only gonna last a second. Okay, we're lifting you up here, girl, and we're putting you back. Oh, I wish you were a little deeper in the pot. I can't be mounting you up like a potato. Well, you're a little lower in the pot, but yeah, nothing like digging in the dirt. I don't know what it does to your soul, but it does something good. Here's some organic foodage for you to grow big and tall. Let's mix that in a little bit. Just kind of break up the soil so it doesn't have too much memory. That allows that new growth of the roots to really make its way in the world. Yeah, we want lots more babies. Yeah, that sits a little better. There she is. I'm gonna go put her back because I need this room to tackle the other three. These roots are kind of bare. I'll just put them closer and, I mean, if I snug them up to each other like this, I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna try and keep them like that. Okay, just adding a lot of dirt around the root ball while I hold it together here. This is the first time I'm using Proven Winner soil. Generally, I've always used whatever Ace Hardware had, but Ace Hardware charges a lot of money for potting soil now. So I found myself going online and bought this online. So happy about that. I didn't have to lug it around. So I'm really kind of snugging this in there because there's two and I just don't want them to separate. But I figure once I water it in, it'll settle in. You guys look beautiful. Watering can. I'm gonna water it in so that it comes through the bottom. That's beautiful. I think she's a beauty and she is going to make a new plant owner very happy. I'm holding them way up on top here. You know, this has got a really big root ball, so yeah, feel that soil. You love it. You want some of your home soil? Here. It's from the motherland. Here we go. I think it's all right. It's good. I'm gonna trim this out so it doesn't look so bad. The mama and 3 babies. 1, 2, 3. In my next video, I think I'm going to be propagating this geranium. That aloe needs to be torn apart as well. Oh, girl, look at how many babies you have. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Love you guts. Bye.